bad man no muggle in a shot.
Caribbean girl, me know for tick, me know for top.
So if you look on your screen, you see Reggae and sold out in a record time. Then put out them ticket one day and I think it's sold out in hours or less than a day. People in the comment section I say, yeah, a Vybz Kartel make it sell out, and you have people that say, no, a festival, it did go sell out regardless. So me ask you a question. When vloggers like me were always are telling us say, a festival Sean Paul do, and Vybz Kartel do him own thing. If me come out now and I say, a Vybz Kartel make them sell 100,000. May I move the goalpost or a real talk may I make? So me I go tell you the difference between Shaggy and Sean Paul Festival and Vybz Kartel Pana Festival. I am DJ Dreadbeard and this is Real Talk.
This is Real Talk.
Real Talk.
DJ Dreadbeard, subscribe now.
Yo, welcome back to a brand new episode of This is Real Talk and I am your host, DJ Dreadbeard. Wanna know how it go? If a real talk may I make you like the video, comment real talk in the comment section, subscribe to the channel if a real talk may I make, and if you can afford it, shot me a PayPal. The link to the PayPal I got there in the comment section. You see me? So don't be afraid to tell me say me I move the goalpost in the one here. The specific video, don't be afraid to tell me say me I move the goalpost. Or don't be afraid to tell me say a real talk. So two comments more I see where I dominate the comment section. Real talk or move the goalpost. You see me? So you know say me I one of the vlogger them. You can check back previous video over my main channel which is DJ Dreadbeard React. What me always are telling you say Shaggy and Sean Paul do festivals. Vybz Kartel do him own show like Vybz Kartel in concert. Where Shaggy and Sean Paul always are show no a festival and people always are say Shaggy and Sean Paul do bigger show than Vybz Kartel. So people always get it misconstrued, I get it confused or whatever. But now me I find out say them never get it confused. I just some haters them will know the right thing and just I say the wrong thing. Alright, so look on the comment here under the regular post where I say them sold out. How Kartel did it and he only perform in one day. Y'all need to stop it and give all the artists their dues. So basically, them I say yo, how I give Vybz Kartel credit for sell out 100,000 ticket and only one night in my work. So basically I 50,000 he would have pull. I wanna need to give the rest of the artists them on the flyer. How much people up on the flyer I wanna need to give them credit too. You see me, that's what the commenters say. And we see a lot more commenters say yo, a festival, Vybz Kartel now have nothing to do with it.
Got 'em. We fucking got 'em.
So you see what I try to say. All along when we are tell them say, I remember you see same people when I write them comment here when I give Vybz Kartel the credit. At them same people we would argue within a comment section. Sean Paul at the festival. Stop compare Sean Paul to Vybz Kartel arena them. At them same people I know I flip the script and I tell them say yo a festival. Vybz Kartel can't get the credit. So honestly say them know the right thing. All along when we are tell them say Vybz Kartel concert them a bigger thing than what Sean Paul do. Sean Paul upon People Festival. It did a sell out whether them depend it or not. They see it? A trick we have to end up trick some people, you know. And write them comments in and say Vybz Kartel do you, Vybz Kartel do you if you make them run out, you know. Yeah, but the difference is it sell out in a record time. That's the credit where people give Vybz Kartel. Not necessarily the 100,000 people, but the record time when it sell out, you know. No other festival not sell out in no one day, bro. Festival take months, 4, 5, 6 months to sell out. When I see festival I sell out in a day or two, yeah, you have to get the headline of it. Especially when him always do it. Especially when him do it for other festival already. Make it sell out in a record time. Just know so when you put him for Funo Festival, you guarantee a record time. But here what go happen now, moving forward. You see next time when you hear where I big up Vybz Kartel and I say a history and no other man can do it. We don't want to see nobody a push up no Sean Paul Festival. If I know him own arena, him in concert, we don't want to see no Sean Paul in front of no 50,000 people when we are talking about Vybz Kartel and him concert. Because now we know say, we don't know the difference between Vybz Kartel in concert and Sean Paul a perform in front of 50,000 people on a festival. So we no need for go no back and forth. The only reason why I'm supposed to bring up this in the future is some new set of people who just come on the internet and not privy to them information and still think say where Sean Paul do on festival you can compare to Vybz Kartel. But some other people we know, what we're sure about, know the right thing now. Because when we say Vybz Kartel pull the 100,000 people, you know they have a fight with it. So that means if you don't have a fault with that, you're not supposed to push up Sean Paul Festival them no more. In the future, you see me? A trick with chicken, you know. Me personally, write them something in the comment section and title me video there with there. Say Vybz Kartel pull 100,000 people. Yeah, because I want to see the comments them where I tell me say no, I not him. The ones me see comments that tell me that, I say yeah man, haters them out. Cause I want to see him one did a show up Sean Paul Festival them. Here are the next credit. Remember say Vybz Kartel do this thing already, bro. Him do this thing already with wireless, you know. Remember when the big debate did go on Twitter, on X, when them say yo no, OVO versus Gaza Nation, I say no. A Drake make it sell out in a record time and people say no, a Vybz Kartel. Now you same thing this like regular man. Once I put Vybz Kartel on the flyer, a combination with Drake and Vybz Kartel, a wireless sold out in a record time. So what do you think? Yo, me keep on asking the question. What do you think a coincidence why everywhere Vybz Kartel go it a sell out in a record time? Look on the next article here. All 135,000 tickets for 2025 Rockstar Energy Present Wireless Festival sold out in just minutes, making it the fastest sold out ticket event in 20 years. So does this sound familiar to you? What does Wireless 2025 and Regular 2026 and Freedom Street Malta have in common? Vybz Kartel. All of them festivals they have Vybz Kartel in common. They all sold out in record times. The one here said 20 years. Regular 5 years. Regular new, you know. Regular just forward on the scene 5 years ago. But Wireless we been here about with Nicki Minaj and Drake and Taylor Swift and all of them big top artists there. Where we love and rate and know say them a global superstar. All of the 20 years when them dep on it. No boy, no girl, no rapper, no hip hop star, none of them couldn't sold it out in a 20 odd years. Record time in a minutes. At the same thing regular I tell you no. At the same thing me there tell you say a Vybz Kartel do it. Whether them did I go sell it out in a 6 months or 5 months or not. We don't care about that. Them sell it out in a record time. That is where Vybz Kartel get the credit. Him get the credit for wireless and him get the credit for regular. The record time we give him the credit for. Because remember, the ticket them go up on sale in a January and look on the date. Look on the date when regular na keep. In a August. So January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August. That are 8 months from now. So if Vybz Kartel never dep on it, February you could have get ticket. March you could have get ticket. April you could have get ticket. May, June, July you could have still get ticket. But no, you can't get no ticket because a Vybz Kartel are the headliner. So you go cook. So who did a plan for go this year and did I wait till them get pay a weekend or a month in? Uno kinda dark because Vybz Kartel upon it and it sell out. So the next best thing them can do, I put on a third night. So them can say Vybz Kartel pull 150,000 people. Right now him pull 100. If them do a third night, he might go surpass wireless. Because you see wireless are 135,000 people. If regular do one more night, a 150 or 140. You see me? All credit goes to Vybz Kartel. We are talking about it record time where it sell out. It did a go sell probably one next 95,000 like last year. Or probably one 96, 97 this year if Vybz Kartel never dep on it. It did a go sell round the ballpark the 95 to 100,000 people. But how long it did a go take? You see me? So now this give them room for other third night. So you hear it here first, just in case you hear so them say one third night. You hear it here first. You see me? So that's the credit what we give Vybz Kartel. You can't so dumb. You see me? And I know say you not dumb because as me say, we would have run out quick and fast and I say, no, we not give Vybz Kartel because of festival. So now we know say we know. So we don't have to go in a deep reasoning and a debate, we don't know. So all who plan for right, move the goalpost in the comment section. Don't expect me to go in a long back and forth with Uno because I would know say Uno know the right thing. You see me? I just play hard. So Uno can still write it, but don't think Uno get no big back and forth. You see me? But yo, here are my closing argument. You know what this also do? It take away the talking point. We say, yo, Shaggy them and Sean Paul them have them up on the biggest festival. So you that's if Vybz Kartel will headline the biggest festival. You see me? So Vybz Kartel never have it on record. Say him perform on a big festival in front of 50,000 people and 100,000 people. But now him have it on record, say him do it. So no longer a man can push up Shaggy and Sean Paul festival when we are talking about Vybz Kartel 20k arenas, them, you see me? So it no longer would have make no sense if you want to push up Sean Paul or Sean Paul himself. When we are talking about arena, you see him post him in front of some big festival. Them something not gonna make no sense again, and people in the comment section and say, yo, so the real king and the silent king and them man, you see me? Yeah, because right now they're on record, so Vybz Kartel do it. And guess what? When the man go to Africa, you can't take away the credit there from him, you know. He might go perform in front of 100,000 people, not 50,000 people tonight and 50,000 people the next night. 100,000 people one time. And then if him do it a second time, like back to back, a 100,000 tonight and 100,000 the next night, so that are 200,000 people. And if him do it 3 nights in a row, that are 300,000 people. So we can't keep the little festival thing, but we still keep the credits there. Him have the record. We sold out any festival. Him have the record there, you know. Any festival we can think about, Coachella, any festival, even if him not upon it. The record time for sell out a festival of Vybz Kartel have that right now on them belt. Remember Summer Jam too? Me keep on a forget Summer Jam over Germany, like anything the man named upon, it sell out in a record time. And you see the prison hype something there, you no can't use it. You see me? Because he would have already tour out UK with him tour. So any little prison hype, according to Uno, him just need to go to UK the first time, and the first time would have been the prison hype. When him go to UK, when him go to O2 Arena and him go all of them places there, in the Freedom Street tour, yeah, so any prison hype it would have done. So according to Uno, if him do it a second time, that's not prison hype. Or probably Uno not put a cap on the prison hype because Uno always want to say a prison hype. But one I say, a prison hype make him sold out Summer Jam in a record time. A prison hype make him sold out Wireless in a record time. Reggae Land, the whole of them in a record time. 2027, 2028, him still a go do them something here, bro. Wanna say a prison hype same way. But yeah, man, people, remember say a psychology we deal with, man. Anytime when I see me title my video the way there, psychology me use, man, because I want them run in. And say, no, I know him do it, a festival. Yeah, we agree, say a festival, but a record time. You see me, so people, if a real talk me I make, right, real talk in the comment section. If me I move the goalpost, right, move the goalpost in the comment section. And people, me drop a video yesterday where I telling us, say, yo, Vybz Kartel, them would have be the king of the jungle, and Cargo, them footer hype, them would have be the hyena of the jungle. Them keep on a try manipulate a lion, especially a young lion like Massacre where I walk by himself, they manipulate him. Because yesterday Cargo say, a brag and a boss say he manipulate Massacre to sing the system song against Vybz Kartel. So you can watch the video there. The red arrow applying to it, the hyenas of dancehall, so you can go watch it. So people, if a real time I make, like, comment and subscribe. If you can afford it, drop a PayPal in the dog food. Ladies, if you want to buy me a coffee, make it a white Russian with extra vodka. I am DJ Dreadbeard. Remember to subscribe. Signing out. Real talk.